Designs and custom graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo. We did a double din in here, along with some speakers. We basically kept everything factory. We used the factory location. We put some Sonys in here. We did some adapters, machined some adapters out of expanded PVC. We sell those on our website. And then we did a Sony CarPlay radio here. We did a double din kit, which we sell those on our website as well. It just drops right in, it bolts in on the side. So it's a pretty nice kit. And then the radio fits right in there. And then we did the USB cable, ran it out the side here. And that's basically it. Everything remains factory. We did a little 4-channel Sony amp behind the radio as well. If you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. And check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75. And you look up our kit and our speaker adapters at store.audiodesignscg.com.